Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a PR pack preview, I guess. I'm just taking it out of the package and showing you what I got, and this is for November and December because I got them very close together. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the Crafty Rat Designs PR pack for November. Now, if you use CRD10 Angie up until the end of December, I believe, that will still be active and you'll get 10% off any orders over £5. So I'm just going to reach into this. This also has the self-care anniversary bundle because she's just reached 1 year and she's done such a fabulous job. So I'm just going to take it out, piece by piece. So first thing I've taken out is the Big Mama. Let me just take it out of its package. There we go. And as you can see, it's actually for your stickers. That's right. It's a sticker. Oh my god, I can't think of the name. Sticker book. There we go. And it's got your sides here. It's really gorgeous. It's all hand drawn by her, by Becca. And it's really super pretty. So I love it. I'm just going to need to bend that into place and then she will be all good. So that's one thing there. And then, you know what? Let me just take everything out. In one go, that'll make life easy. And let's just note. Okay, so then we've got these beautiful ephemera, and I'm going to just open that up. Oops. There we go. And if you don't know, her cellophane is actually recyclable. So get on that and recycle. Actually, I think I'm going to rip it. Oh my gosh, horrible. Okay, so there we are. Here we It's tons of gorgeous bits. They'll be perfect for summer, actually, spring when that comes around. So I'll just definitely be using that. As you can see, I love them. They're beautiful. Oh no! I think I'll have to replace the cellophane actually because there's so many tiny bits. You got tons of tiny bits. Sorry about my nails. I just redid them-ish. Not quite there. But oh my god, look how beautiful. She did such a great job. Okay, so there's that one. And then we've got the self-care booklet. And I believe this is a B6. Let me just take that out. And you can see she's even hand-drawn the outside as well. I think I'll just rip that. There we go. And so it's plain in the beginning, the front. So that's great because then you can decorate it with the ephemera if you'd like. And you've got, oh, little thing there. Hello, lovely. Let's see. Oh, got a design on the inside. She's designed this whole thing. It's really lovely. And you've got some self-care stickers here. And then this is like wildflowers. You must allow yourself to grow in all the places people thought you never would. That's quite lovely. You got, what is self-care? Self-care to me is about setting some time aside to yourself without guilt. It's about taking a moment to put yourself first. So it's quite a long passage. And then you've got self-care prompts like having a bath, cuddle up, time. It's really sweet. And on the back, writing prompts I would like to learn about. Today was, I'm proud of myself because, etc. Oh, these are actually stickers too. Ah, cool, 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 cool. Yeah, it's really lovely. Okay, another one. Today, think of everything you are instead of everything that you are not. I like that. That's sweet. You owe yourself the love that you so freely give to others. I like that. That's true. That's true. Okay, so the next thing in the pack is this tiny, what's that word called? Paper clip. And that is from Crafty Charlie within it. It's quite small. I'm not sure how I'll use that. Maybe I'll put it on a big paper clip. That's really pretty. Okay, and then, oh, let's flip these around. We've got, oh, that's coming out of it. Okay, that is another paper clip. So there we go. Just got my clothes in there, sorry. And that's how that looks like. And that will just, let me take that book. So we'll take that and just flip that over like that. And she looks like she's sleeping. How sweet is that? That's so lovely. And I love her crown. Okay, so I'll just take that off. And then this one here is a very, my clothes keeps getting in. My apologies. Very gentle, what do you call that word? A charm. Very sweet and small. And then we have this, which is, actually, let me show that first, because that is part of the kit. I believe it's part of the kit. Yeah, it is. Okay, so you got the Etsy anniversary, 18 self-care prompts. Then you got pamper, 15-minute pickup to clean. I don't know if I'd call that self-care, because that's more like chores to me. Spend time with friends, definitely. Relax with your favorite drink. Walk, exercise. Yeah, I don't cook yourself a meal or bake something yummy. But that's just me every day. I love baking, so... Oh, that's cute. I like that little shape. Let me just open that up. Let me see something else in there. Oh, I'm so sorry. I hate that crinkle too, so... there we go. Did it. Okay. Then, okay, so that's what that looks like. Get it really nice. That's what I need for sure. Go for a walk. Love that. And then this is the Coffee Monsters Co. collab that she got, and that is what that looks like, and it's growing. That's cute. And then of course she's done the back as well. And then the next thing is the Crafty Rat Design. Take that out. These are some other stickers, as well as a, oh my god, what's it called? A mini kit, which, hint, 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 I'm also working on one. So let me take these stickers first, which are so sweet. This is the cinema. And we've got laundry. We've got some vacuuming right there. And that's those ones there. And this is the mini kit here. So lovely. Can't wait to tuck in and use this. I have plans. I think you'll end up seeing me use this next week. Maybe. There you go. She's done a great job with this, and I love that it comes with some stickers she's designed herself. It's done very well. The next thing I have is this, and this is the December pack. Oh, let me just get that out of the way. Completely perfect. And I've just opened it up. My note, because it's got my address on that. And it's got her beautiful sticker. I love the geometric rat. That's so sweet. Oh, look at that. That's so sweet. It's a journaling card. Love that. Oh, and it says, just a little thank you for your help in 2018. Oh, lovely. So anyone who is her PR for next year, best of luck, because her stuff are amazing, and I know you will do a great job. So that's that. I was going to put my name up for next year as well, but I've just had so much coming up lately. I didn't feel like it was right for me to take up time when I may not be able to live up, which, you know, you want to help somebody and be your best. So next one, please. This is some more crinkle. Here we go. And that is her business card right there. Put that to the side. And look, oh my gosh, I am dying. Oh man, this is so perfect. I love that she's a snowman. My son, every time he sees a snowman, he goes crazy for them. He just loves them. And this reminds me of him. So I'm getting very emotional right now. Sorry. Okay, and then the next thing we have are these gorgeous PR ratties, and you've got baby it's cold outside, and then you got a onesie. Oh, look at the mistletoe, love that. And then mine, which I think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of. Might need to buy some more real quickly. And then we have gift wrap, which is perfect because I need to make sure to write some time down for some gift wrapping. I love that one. Oh my god, I can actually use that today. Okay, and then we've got some onesies, which are so sweet. I wanted to get it. I'm not sure how I will use that, but I will figure it out. Then I got some cameras because, again, I can use it today. I needed to take some pictures, and it's perfect. Then we've got some order trackers. It's perfect. Again, another thing I can use today. Oh, perfect timing. And then laundry. Again, I can use today. Oh my goodness. This is phenomenal. Like, just perfect timing for everything. It's amazing. I just love that. So that is everything. And let me just arrange that because everything is just lovely. I love this. Oh, this is beautiful. I'm putting that in my planner right now. All right, and that is everything. Thank you so much for watching. You will see me next with Plan With Me, and it will be with this adorable mini kit. So if you like what you So if you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, hit subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.